Poetry Moment, read by Clarica. To My Cat, by Rosamund Marriott Watson. Half loving kindliness and half disdain, thou comest to my call serenely suave, with humming speech and gracious gestures grave, in salutation courtly and urbane. Yet must I humble me thy grace to gain, for wiles may win thee, though no arts enslave, and nowhere gladly thou abidest, save where naught disturbs the concord of thy reign. Sphinx of my quiet hearth, who deignest to dwell, friend of my toil, companion of mine ease, thine is the lore of Ra and Rameses, that men forget dost thou remember well. Beholden still in blinking reveries, with sombre sea green gaze inscrutable. End of poem.